Title: The Power of Compassion, 20 Ways to Transform Your Life. Introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving deep into a topic that resonates with each and every one of us: compassion. In this video, we'll explore why compassion is so crucial in our lives, what compassion truly means, and how we can integrate it into our daily lives for a more harmonious and fulfilling existence. Segment 1. Why is compassion important? Compassion goes beyond sympathy or empathy. It's the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It's a fundamental human quality that connects us on a profound level. Ways 1-5. Compassion fosters strong interpersonal relationships, allowing us to connect deeply with others. Example: sharing a personal story of how offering compassion to a friend in need strengthened your bond. 2. It cultivates a sense of community and unity, reducing feelings of isolation. Example: showcasing a local community event where people come together to support one another, highlighting the sense of belonging. 3. Compassion promotes mental well-being by reducing stress and increasing feelings of happiness. Example: discussing scientific studies that demonstrate the positive effects of compassion on reducing cortisol levels and enhancing overall happiness. 4. It enhances emotional intelligence, making us more attuned to the needs of those around us. Example: providing scenarios where recognizing and responding to others' emotions with compassion leads to better communication and understanding. 5. Compassion contributes to personal growth and a sense of purpose in life. Example: sharing how engaging in volunteer work and helping others can give individuals a greater sense of purpose and fulfillment. Segment 2. Understanding compassion. Let's dive deeper into what compassion truly is. It's not just about feeling sorry for someone. It's about recognizing their suffering and actively wanting to alleviate it. Ways 6-10. 6. Compassion involves empathy, which is putting yourself in someone else's shoes. Example: sharing an anecdote where you empathized with someone's situation and how it led to a more compassionate response. 7. It's about being non-judgmental and understanding that everyone has their struggles. Example: discussing the concept of not making assumptions about others' experiences and avoiding judgment. 8. Compassion extends to yourself too, treating yourself kindly in times of difficulty. Example: explaining the importance of self-compassion through personal experiences of overcoming challenges with self-kindness. 9. It's a driving force behind acts of kindness and generosity. Example: sharing stories of famous philanthropists or ordinary individuals who have made a difference through acts of compassion. 10. Compassion encourages us to forgive, both others and ourselves. Example: discussing the healing power of forgiveness and how it can release emotional burdens. Segment 3. Applying compassion in daily life. Now, let's explore how we can incorporate compassion into our daily routines, making a positive impact on ourselves and those around us. Ways 11-15. 11. Start by actively listening when others speak, showing them they're heard and valued. Example: discussing the benefits of active listening and how it strengthens relationships, followed by a role-play scenario. 12. Practice random acts of kindness. They create a ripple effect of positivity. Example: sharing a video montage of various acts of kindness, such as helping an elderly person cross the street or leaving uplifting notes for strangers. 13. Cultivate patience. Remember that everyone is on their own journey. Example: sharing personal experiences of how patience and understanding have diffused conflicts and improved relationships. 14. Volunteer or support causes that resonate with your compassionate values. Example: showcasing volunteers in action and their testimonials about how contributing to a cause has enriched their lives. 15. Smile often. A simple smile can brighten someone's day. Example: displaying clips of people sharing smiles with others and the positive reactions they elicit. Hey there, amazing viewers! Before we dive further into today's content, I want to kindly ask for your support. If you're enjoying the video so far, please take a moment to show some love. Hit that like button below. Your likes let us know that you're engaged and enjoying the content. Also, if you have any thoughts, questions, or insights about what we're discussing, don't hesitate to drop a comment down below. We absolutely love hearing from you and sparking meaningful conversations. Now, if you find this video valuable and think it could inspire or help someone you know, consider sharing it with your friends, family, or on your social media platforms. Sharing is caring, and it helps us spread positivity and empowerment to more people. And of course, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Subscribing keeps you in the loop with our latest videos, and you become a part of our incredible community that's all about growth, learning, and positivity. Don't forget to hit that notification bell too, so you never miss out on our new uploads. It's a small action that ensures you're always among the first to catch our latest content. Thank you so much for being a part of our journey and for your continued support. Your likes, comments, shares, subscriptions, and notifications mean the world to us. Now, let's get back to the video and continue exploring the amazing world of compassion and transformation. Segment 4: Visualizing Compassion. To truly understand compassion, let's take a look at real-life instances where it has made a significant impact. Ways 1620. Witness the kindness of strangers helping each other during challenging times. Example: showcasing videos of people assisting each other during natural disasters or unexpected crises. 17. See the joy on a child's face when they receive unexpected support. Example: sharing heartwarming stories of children receiving scholarships, gifts, or help from compassionate individuals. 18. Experience the warmth of a community coming together to help those in need. Example: highlighting community events like food drives, fundraisers, or disaster relief efforts that demonstrate the power of collective compassion. 19. Observe how compassion transforms conflicts into opportunities for growth. Example: discussing conflict resolution techniques that prioritize understanding and empathy, leading to stronger relationships. 20. Visualize a world where compassion guides our every action, creating a brighter future for all. Example: concluding with a montage of people from various backgrounds and cultures demonstrating compassion, inspiring viewers to envision a more compassionate world. Conclusion. And there you have it, 20 ways to infuse compassion into your life. Remember, compassion is a powerful force that not only enriches the lives of others but also brings profound fulfillment to our own lives. Let's work together to create a world where compassion reigns supreme. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Until next time, stay compassionate.